Hello guys, Gti-joel here, back with another video. Before I get started, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone showing support, liking, commenting, subscribing. This whole YouTube thing just popped off overnight. It feels like, yeah, literally last week I uploaded my first video. I'm pretty sure, I'll check now, it's on, how many thousand views? So my second video is on 66,000 views. My first video is on 6,000 views, and I'm nearly on 2,000 subscribers. Like, to me, that's just, it's mind-blowing and it's humbling at the same time. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, anyone just supporting in general. Like, it means a lot. Honestly, it means a lot, because I didn't think my videos would get any views at all on YouTube. I've been doing this kind of car thing for like 2-3 years. I'm just starting to take it seriously now. I do work a full-time job, so I'm just trying to find the time to record content and upload it, as well as, you know, work on cars, etc. after work or before work. But yeah, enough of me rambling on. I'm going to tell you about what I'm doing today. So today, I got a call from a customer asking for an engine replacement on his Mark 5 Golf GTI. He's got two. Unfortunately, I think he was in an incident in one of them, and he wants all of the engine, like the engine, gearbox, intercooler, and I'm pretty sure the exhaust switched over to the new shell. So I'm going to be doing that with my boy Ryan. You'll see him in a moment. We do most of our work together, and we've got an Instagram page. I'll drop the link down below. But yeah, enough rambling on. I'm going to catch you guys when I'm at the car or when I meet with Ryan, either one. And we're just going to go from there. Just going to smash it out like we do. No games, no gimmicks. You guys like that one? No games, no gimmicks. We're with Ryan today. What are we doing, Ryan?
We're doing 2 engines in one day.
2 engines, 1 day. How many hours?
I'm gonna say 6.
6 hours, yeah? We aim to be done in 6 hours. Time is, yeah, 11:58.
So what, 5:30? 5:30?
5:30 we're gonna be done.
11:58. 6:30.
6:30, the time keeps going up and up. But yeah, this is one of the cars here. The other one's over there. I'm just waiting for the guy to come back, give us the key. Gonna roll it over there, push it over there. Then the rest of it is more or less gonna be a point of view. I'll clip in and out, show you guys what I'm doing, maybe do a little voiceover here and there, but we're just gonna get straight to work. No games, no gimmicks. So guys, we're now with the car. Unfortunately, as I said before, was in a bit of an incident. That's why we're swapping engines over. But just to double check, we're gonna see if it cranks over by hand before we switch the engines over, because it has been flipped upside down. So could be hydro locked, could be seized. If that is the case, then we'll just switch top ends from this car into that one.
He's lucky, boy.
Cranks over. Yeah, just a dead battery then, or a bad starter motor. So it looks like we'll be switching engines from this car into this one. Or looks like I spoke to you soon, yeah. I was just trying to crank it over by hand, and it did actually just seize up. But it feels like it could be trying to compress liquid. Yeah, if we take the spark plugs out and try and crank it over. Yeah.
Just do that end one again, please.
What, that one?
Finish that one. Yeah.
Oh, wrong one. Second one, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Try and crank it now.
Crank over, innit?
Oh, properly?
Yeah. Take that off.
It will spin everywhere, innit? I don't have the key, I think he's got the key. No, it's just dead, the battery's dead.
Nothing.
No, it's dead. Switch. Put the battery on for one of our cars, innit, I guess.
Why's your gun struggling with a 10mm, bro? Alright, whatever. Okay, him trying to tell me off. Bro, what is that wire for though? It's very in the way. Wow. Well, that is a lot of oil. Now put it back in, see if it runs. Ooh. So spun the engine over, put coil packs back in, plugs. The engine should start now.
You lower it so it gets oil pressure.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Ready? Hey.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, the battery. I don't know if it's battery.
Hey, drop.
Yes, battery.
Start mode is smoking.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I just see. Is that season then?
Might see that the start mode.
No, not even a starter. The engine. Yeah, still full of oil. So crank it over again. When Ryan's ready. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 4 is the one that's the most.
It's got.
So I'm thinking if we put 3 plugs in, 1, 2 and 3.
Try and start it like that.
Yeah. Because it'll shoot it out.
Yeah, cool.
So it's still, it's spraying up, but some of it's still going back down.
You got anything to clean them? You got cloths in your car?
Yeah, take one. As soon as if it does start, just turn it off straight away.
Yeah. Oh, and then it dropped. I think battery's gone. The middle light's turning off as I'm turning the car on, so I think the battery's just... Battery's not very happy.
No, it's still blocked.
As you guys can see, plugs are just full of oil because the car's been upside down. Oh my gosh, so we're just gonna put a jump pack on it, so another battery on it, and just crank it over until all the liquid comes out. Starter is getting hot. Yeah.
So I said that's what we wanted to do.
Okay. It's building up pressure in it, and then just trying to crank over.
We'll shoot out these 2, and then we'll fix it.
And do the other 2. Yeah, I can smell that starter motor. It's hot. It's a little bit hot. That should be an advert, bro. Top quality. Top quality, innit? I think I've got another one in my pocket, yeah. Yeah, it started. That's on 2 cylinders. We basically just started up with cylinder 2 and 3 connected, 1 and 4 out. We'll switch them to 1 and 4, do the same thing that we just did, and then just get ready to pull the engines out because we're pretty sure this engine will run properly. No misfire.
You only water.
I said it's gonna misfire.
Only water, bro.
I bet right in the water that it will misfire and it's not misfiring.
Only water.
So yeah, we've got the car started. So now, engine comes out, goes into that. We're just gonna start stripping both cars. Ryan's got that one to do. I got this one. Yeah. We sorted out the engine, so we know that it runs. And now we're just gonna eat strip. Oh, that sounds weird. We're gonna eat strip. I said me and Ryan are both gonna strip, and I said nah. Sounds a bit wrong. We're both gonna take each car apart. Who can do it quicker? That's the question. Who can do what car quicker? On a job.
This one, you know the
Or traction ABS light.
yeah.
Yeah, so there's a sensor that's broken or yeah. It's not too much to fix. The sensor might be £20, £30 maybe for the sensor, and to fit it maybe about £70.
70.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, not too much. But we'd have to plug it in and see which sensor it is and tell you which one to order.
Okay.
Yeah?
You do this?
Yeah, we do this. That's what we do, mechanics, yeah?
Okay, yeah, I know,
Yeah. So if you want to take my number?
yeah. This
Yeah, no worries. So front bumper's off now. Put it over here.
4 bands.
I think I still need to take off the what's it called? Under tray. Take the under tray off. Ryan's over there doing the drive shaft bolts. He's cool. Yeah, so I'll take the under tray off. That was nice. That was nice, isn't it? Oh yeah. Take the under tray off. Then I'll start taking these bolts out for the engine and gearbox. I don't think the gun will even. How this guy's laying? I was laying like a starfish, bro. Okay. I don't want to come out. This. 21. 16. 32 bolts. Oh. Oh, just banged my head. I banged my head. You hit me. You hit me. Oh. So gearbox. I'm gonna start taking front end off. Oh, I'm so all over the place today. I'm gonna keep repeating myself. Put on till I remember what I'm saying. Put on time lapse. And maybe when I've got complete front end off is when I'll stop the time lapse and check back in with you guys. What? Over there. This ratchet doesn't even work. Oh my gosh. What the hell? This guy don't know how to reverse. Nah, yoga might be better for this one still. Passenger side drive shaft's out, front end's nearly off. Ryan's done driver side, doing passenger side drive shaft now. I think he's done all the underneath bolts. I'll start taking off fuel line, sorry, coolant bottle, charcoal canister. I've got to do the downpipe now, which is going to be fun because it's a stock downpipe and the bolts are probably going to snap. Got to take this tray out, but because it's so rusty, I'll probably have to snap it and replace it with that one. So I'm going to do all that and put it on a time lapse in about 5 minutes. Just got to charge the camera again. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. The time is 1:24. Not too bad. Been here about an hour. Just thinking what else I need to do. Take the battery tray out. Already taken it out. Oh. Bro, the way I looked in the sky is all like, where's the ratchet? So I can't lie, your gun's better than mine. I need to buy a better one. And it's got a massive battery on it as well. Still no good. No good. There's ratchet, mate. I'm thinking, how do I get this off? I might need a jack handle in it. No. To get them 16s out, I'm gonna need a jack handle. Yeah.
Use the box, look.
No, a jack handle and a ratchet, so I can. Oh! Oh! I bought a new tool, guys. Yeah. Legend, mate. Let's see if I can get it off now. I don't think I can even record that, to be fair. But it's just these two downpipe bolts. You can't even see in the corner. Right here where my hand is. So I'm gonna get those off. Oh, then take these two coolant lines off. Then it's literally engine mounts, front ender, and we can swap the engines. Come here, get on it, mate.
Run out of space in the garage.
But yeah, mate, we're mobile. That way, innit?
Hold on. Wait. Yeah, I know, you're good, mate. It's alright. It's just a jack. Yeah, I know, I see it, mate. It's alright. Go on.
Trying to mash up the jack. I see it, mate. I see it. Downpipe bolts are all out now. That was a quick one. Literally 2 seconds and it snapped off. That's it, downpipe bolts are off. They all just snapped off. So all the downpipe bolts are off. I'm gonna do these two lines over here. And once I get the front end off, the engine's ready to drop out. It is. So it's been about an hour. Both cars are more or less ready to be transitioned over. Quite quick work from us, usual. Not sure if you can hear. the bonnet cable. So I bought this ratchet for like what, 100 and something pounds. Sealy, yeah. Guarantee it doesn't tint this bolt off. And I've already cracked it, yeah. So all it is now is these bolts, and the front end should slide off. I say should. Actually coming off is a different story. Lights are off. That's off. Yep. That's one off. Or not. So my engine is ready to drop out. Downpipes off. Engine mounts are out. I think all I'm gonna do, yeah, no, I didn't have any aircon. Yours probably does. So those two bolts there, those three, DSG shifter, and the wiring in. Yeah. So I'm just doing the downpipe bolt. Oh, well, I picked up a 10. I need a 13. That's where my 10 was. What's wrong? It's for the downpipe. Change, innit? Switch them over. Just in case we do, innit? There we go. I think that's it. What I need to do is bend the security bolt for the bracket, sorry, for the ECU. The alternator wire is already out and unplugged now, so that can tuck out of the way. Yeah, alright, cool, we'll do that, bro. So we're gonna switch over the exhaust as well, because this is a completely standard car. While the engine's out, just do that for him. Just rusty. Yeah, she says definitely matte. Yeah, it probably is then, innit? It's hot, keep it together, innit? Alright. So back to the exhaust. Just take, I don't have a proper tool for this, so I just push them through clamps and get them off like that. Sometimes you've got to do what you've got to do. I'm going to do this with the other one. Do the rear of the exhaust, because I don't know if you can see me or not. I'm going to do, yeah, the rear section of the exhaust, get that off, pull the whole exhaust out, and I'll probably jump to me and Ryan just taking the engines out, because we've taken everything else off. Oh, done the exhaust now. Taking everything off, so there's not much else to do right now. So guys, it is 2:33, so it's been around 2 hours each. Engine's ready to drop. Just taking off the exhaust, so the complete exhaust is going to switch over as well. Yeah, next shot is probably going to be us taking out this engine, then doing that one. Yeah, it hasn't taken too long. Not much went wrong today, which is a good sign. Tell them something, Ryan. Tell them something. It's on my head. What's going on?
What we're doing right now, we're gonna take that engine out. This one. I throw it on the floor. I'm gonna take that one and put it in there. What's the time now?
I think 2:30.
So what did we say, 6?
Yeah, we're gonna be done with 2:44, 2:43.
So yeah.
Say 3.
5. I'm gonna say 5, just to be safe.
Yeah, 5. I think we'll be done by 5. Hopefully, because we ain't got any lights, so it's gonna have to use iPhone lights and that. Guys, we're back. Engines out of this GTI. I don't know what time it is. Let me check. No, the time. Yeah, 3:38. So we've got an hour and a half to get that in and running. Yeah. So we stick by our word. Hour and a half. That'll be in that car. Alright, mate. It'll be in that car and it'll be running. Front end might not be on, but we'll be able to start the key. It'll be running. That's the main thing. It'll be running. So we're just gonna pull it out. I might even put on a little time lapse while we do that. That did not sound nice. That did not sound nice. I'm sure I bet something's still stuck.
I ain't you, bro. Watch, I got confidence. Straight out one time.
No, it is out. It is out. Alright, calm down, mate.
Johnny.
Alright, Fez. Fair play. Oh, no, it's stuck. On the right side.
Oh, wait, the thing.
Oh, yeah, what is it? What is it? Shifter.
Shifter. Well, I took it out though, didn't it?
Why do you take it out like that?
I don't know.
Why do you take it out like that? Now the
now.
cameras get recorded, yeah. What are you saying? You're going to beat me in a race?
You don't have a car faster than that, man.
Then that?
They're mine.
Give me about 3 hours.
What are you going to do in 3 hours?
I'm going to get the A3.
Alright.
Then what?
But I'm saying we're going to race on the way home.
Yeah, no, it's not happening. Not right now, buddy.
Yeah, turn around, shift in.
One time, innit? Oh my gosh. 1 time, 2 time, what you telling me, dog? It's like, oh. It's like parking a car, mate. I've got a thingy. Mole grips. I'm just gonna hit the hammer. What are you playing at, bro? Okay, let's see the method in your madness. Cause I don't like it. Fair enough. Fair enough, he's got a point. Now I just need to jack it. It needs to go left more, innit? Just bang my head, mate. Yeah, I was just gonna say. Drop it a little bit. Yeah, that's the loom for the steering rack. It's unbolted. It's weird. It's been touched with before, innit? I need to pull out and go down. Wait, yeah, pull out. Pull to your side, yeah. Wait. It's cause the mount just flicks. Yeah. It's gonna get my hand caught, bro. I can feel it. Hold on. There we go. I don't think this has been more than 5 minutes. You're right, man.
Yeah. I'm working hard, bro.
Thank you, man.
This is an engine.
Yeah.
This is the engine. Yeah, we took out that car. Took both engines out, and then that one from there, so in this car. guys doing on the roadside?
Yeah, man. That's how we do it, man. Where's the pry bar?
What else are you guys specializing? Bag cars, mainly bag cars.
Yeah.
They put like
Depends what you need doing.
BMWs, few Mercedes. But yeah, bag cars is our specialty.
Yeah.
We rebuild them. Yeah, we need to.
Top ends. Oh. Depends what's wrong with them. If it's worth rebuilding, then we'll do it. But if it's like major damage, then we just replace the engine.
Well, you can get hold of engines and stuff?
Yeah, I break them.
Oh,
Yeah,
is it?
yeah, I break like VWs, Audis, Seats. I break them a lot.
Did you guys get your MOT done?
Down South London.
Yeah, we're from South, innit?
Yeah.
We're from South.
Yeah.
What about when it's raining and stuff?
Yeah, still do it, man.
It is what it is, isn't it?
Any
if
weather.
it rains proper hard, you might take a break.
Yeah.
When it slows down, we'll
Okay, that.
how much do you charge for an engine change like that? This is different because you're doing 2. How much are you charging? You charge more, bro.
I know, but it's that's the thing. We're coming to them on the roadside, doing it same day. Same day turnaround, bro.
Never, bro. Think about it, that's all day going in. All day, yeah. All
There you
day,
go.
yeah.
But it's either that or we're at work. We're working, so I'd rather make this.
Pay dollars, bro.
Yeah, but it's
I
that's.
don't do nothing less than £1,000. Fuck it up. I
Yeah.
ain't even fucking touch it.
Yeah. See.
Fuck even touch it. I ain't even gonna look at it.
Yeah, exactly.
I
Yeah.
ain't even gonna look at
Yeah,
it,
but that's the thing. We do that, then we build up our clientele.
Then again, you know what?
And then-
It's worthwhile for you guys because I have to cover rent. Innit?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, ours
That's
is
the only thing.
£20 petrol. That's it,
Yeah,
more or
we
less.
do Petrol prices and then
Maybe a little bit of food too,
Yeah.
but that's about it. That's on us. By the way, it's just like because we do it so often. It's not even that hard. Like we started at 12. This
Start at 12 and look.
it's nearly done. Put the front end back on.
It, that's why.
Yeah.
Better to have a 2-man than a 1-man.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Even if it was.
two of us. Look, he took this one out, I took that one out, and then
that's
now we
it.
work on one.
Yeah,
So it makes it easy.
yeah.
When there's two of us, especially when 2 people.
Oh my gosh. Pull the engine out.
I do this, then lower that, because when I lower it,
Let's see if the maths is mathing. It didn't math. It didn't math. It didn't math. I'm telling you, pull it out.
huh? I pulled it out.
Wait, sorry, where are we trying to go? That way? So we need to push in and jack up. Oh, here we go. It's got to go down.
Gotta go up.
No, it's got to go down.
It's gotta go up, bro. It's resting
No,
now.
look, it's going to hit the mount. You can't pull it through the mount. Through here. Or you got the pry bar. Oh. We could do that. Yeah. It's more or less in line with mine. Just needs to go up. I think you got the pry bar as well. To go up.
Got this one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's...
That one?
No. Oh. Let me see. Needs to come this way.
Yeah, see? Nah,
Yeah, you're right. Just get it bolted up. I don't know if we need that anymore. I don't think we do. Oh. Don't know how many minutes that was. Like, yeah, the guy did interrupt us a little bit. Shout out to him though. It's 4. Yeah, I said it'll be in and it'll be running by 5. Yeah, I've got some faith. So engine's now in. What do you have to do next? Drive shafts. Fit the new exhaust onto the car, and then put the front end on, and we're done. It's been how many hours? We're like 12. 4 hours. 12, 1, 3, 4 hours. So now just gonna do drive shafts. He's got a Powerflex bush in the gearbox, so we're gonna put that in. Oh, there's not even much light. What a day, innit?
What a day, mate.
What a day. So, don't know what the time is, probably 5 something. So, engine's in. I need to start sounding more enthusiastic, but I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Slumped. Yeah, it's 5 something. I think, what's the time?
Huh?
What's the time?
5.
Huh?
03.
Yeah, so engine's in. Turn the key, start it. I'm lost for words. I don't know what to say.
What are you talking about?
I said the engine's in. I said before, 5 o'clock it'll be in.
You got to do just exhaust.
Yeah.
Plug in the ECU,
That's it.
and then we can start it.
Then we can go home.
Well, not like this, but soon.
Then I can go home. So yeah, we just need to do the rear section of the exhaust. I don't even know if you can hear me. Rear section of the exhaust, because we switched it from that car onto this one. Oh, I just dropped. Yeah. I'm so tired, I'm forgetting what I'm saying. Rear section of the exhaust, downpipe bolts in my hand, little cover for here. That's about it. Everything else, all the coolant lines are bolted in. Everything's in. I think it's 2 bolts for the gearbox and the dog bone mount. And the front end will go on and we'll be out of here. Started to rain a little bit. But more or less everything's back on. More or less done. Engine's in, solid. Exhaust is on. I just need to do the rear section of the exhaust because it's hanging slightly on the driver's side. Just this. Put that back on, and then we'll be doing the front end, and then it'll be home time. On. Just have to do the boost pipes. What else? Boost pipes, them 2 AC lines and a water line. Then we can just put the front bumper on. On minus the front bumper. Oh, so tired. Ryan, you tired? Not tired, no?
Overtime.
We're overtired today, yeah. As you can see, dark out, still working. Gonna slap the battery on and give it first crank over right now. Live on camera. You ready? First start up. No games, no gimmicks. First start up. He's smoking a little bit because the engine was upside down. But yeah, all done. Just gonna put the front bumper back on and probably tap back in with you guys once the car's on the ground. So just got the front end buttoned up. Just been bleeding it for the past like 10-20 minutes. More or less everything's done. Done with the car. Sorry for my voice, guys. I'm so shattered. I'm shattered. Ryan is all tired. Time is now 7:36. Not sure if you can see that. But it's been about 6-7 hours all round. Did have a little break, had food, but yeah, we've just been grafting away all day, and obviously the results, proof's in the pudding. everything's out of that we needed to swap over. Yeah, gonna jack it down, me singing, gonna drop it down, drive it around the block, make sure everything's all good. What else? That's it already, isn't it?
Check it out.
Done. So guys, I'm in the vehicle right now, just moving it around. It does need brake pads and that, but that's not what we came here for. Yeah. That's the noise you can hear in the background, the grinding. But other than that, no lights on the dash, no overheating, temperatures where it should be, no misfires. Everything is as it should be. So that's probably going to be the end of today's video. Yeah, literally 2 engine removals, 1 in 7-8 hours. Did take us a little bit longer because we had to do unexpected things, removal of little things that we didn't anticipate on, but yeah, we smashed it out quickly. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna leave this until I've got another video for you guys, which should be in a week or so. So once again, thank you for liking, subscribing, all of the love. I really do appreciate it. Even though I may come across as a bit bov on camera, I'm new to this. So yeah, I would say I appreciate every one of you. Just like and subscribe and comment in, and anyone that stayed to the end of the video, thank you very much. Till I see you next time, peace out.